Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. My name is James.
Hi, everyone. I'm Grace. Nice to meet you.
This podcast is for English beginners. We speak slowly and use easy words.
Yes, you can relax and listen.
Grace, this is our first question. Can you tell us about yourself?
Sure. My name is Grace. I live in Taiwan. How about you, James?
My name is James. I also live in Taiwan. I like learning new things.
That's nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies and listening to music. What about you?
I like reading and walking. Walking helps me relax.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I try to walk every day. Do you exercise?
Sometimes. I like simple exercise, like stretching.
James, can I ask you a simple question?
Of course.
What do you like to eat?
I like noodles and rice. How about you?
I like vegetables and soup. Do you cook at home?
Yes, but only easy food. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking makes me happy.
Grace, why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel and talk to people. Why do you learn English?
I want to watch videos and understand them. Do you think English is hard?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. How do you feel?
I think English is easier when I listen a lot.
What is your advice for English beginners?
Start slow. Listen every day, even 10 minutes.
That's good advice. Do you think speaking is important?
Yes, very important. Even small sentences are good.
Like hello and how are you?
Yes, exactly. Grace, are you afraid to speak English?
Yes, sometimes. I am afraid of mistakes.
I feel the same, but mistakes help us learn.
That's true. Do you talk to yourself in English?
Yes, I do. It helps a lot.
James, what is your daily routine?
I wake up, eat breakfast, and work. What about you?
I wake up early and drink water. Then I start my day.
Do you listen to English in the morning?
Yes, sometimes. It's a good start.
Grace, why did we start this podcast?
We want to help English beginners.
Yes, we want listeners to feel relaxed.
No pressure. No hard words.
Just simple English and real talks.
To our listeners, it's okay if you don't understand everything.
Yes, you can listen again and again.
Every time you listen, you will understand more.
Before we finish, we have a small reminder.
If this podcast is helpful, please listen to it again.
You can listen one more time, or even 2 or 3 times, or you can repeat it, which will be very helpful.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribing helps you get new episodes.
Thank you for listening with us.
We are happy to learn English with you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.